Hi, it's Michelle again, coming to you from beautiful Naples, Florida. Now I'm here on 39th Avenue Northeast, off of Everglades, also in Golden Gate Estates. This is my 5.86 acres of land. The reason I'm here again is to show you the location, which is next to the canal, and the beautiful community that's being built across here. I want to let you know that this price has just been reduced to $278,350. Price to sell, it's going to go. I have the aerial views of it on the MLS. I also have the DEP report. It's all dry. Also, it is permitted for a dock already. You see the beautiful canal over here. It is all the way down to the end where you can see my sign down there. All dry land, okay? Not many trees on there, so if you're just looking to buy it, you can divide it up into two pieces. In one side it could be 2 acres, the rest you do whatever and build 2 houses. So builders, buyers, if you're looking for a beautiful location on a beautiful street, as you see down here, it's like 85% built up. So call me, Michelle Barham with William Ravis Real Estate. This land is just waiting for you to build your next dream home or your next investment home. If you're a builder, if you're looking for land to build, it's right here on 39th Avenue Northeast. Now priced and reduced to $278,350. So call me up, 954-483-5406. Have a great day and see you soon with my next listing that's coming up, okay? Have a great day. Bye.